We've got this is going to be destroyed.
That's been nice.
And that's been destroyed. Oh. Hello everyone and welcome to Wildfire Gaming. I'm here with Joe and George. George is driving us in our get in the boat. Au revoir everyone. And let's go.
I just realised when I said hola, I sounded really, really rapey.
Hola! Tiny little bit.
Yeah. I'll be getting a half track out of this mission.
Yeah.
This is a shit shot next time.
Yeah.
Yes, it was. You couldn't find the bloody exit last time.
This is how well it went. Don't know where we're going.
Last time it basically glitched out.
No, I didn't.
What happened? Patch you in.
Awaiting further instructions. See if we could look at it.
Basically this.
I'm gonna got all cams looking at the boat.
Again?
Yeah, all I can do is just stare at my character, I guess.
Well, great. It's nice to know that the camera still works still.
That's no, the camera's still fucked.
Yeah. Why change the habit of a lifetime?
And the time.
Well, the time's alright.
If you're going in quiet, you'll ditch the boat here and go for a swim. Stay in that boat, you're going to be spotted.
Wrong way.
You've alerted them. There's backup on the way.
Great, George, well done. Congratulations.
How are we supposed to get into the lab without hitting the ladder?
Get up. Not that way. Yeah, but it's about what happened. It's about what happened when you got to the top of the ladder.
Yeah, they stood at the top of the ladder, man.
Oi!
Where is this? There he is.
You're at the target vehicle. Gain entry using your SecuroServe hacking tech.
Let's go.
Watch out, you'll be exposed to attacks until the bypass completes.
If I hack, do you wanna cover me?
I'm just running to the place now.
Cheers, Joe.
What?
Down
Go on then. We can do this.
Oi! You little shit.
Whee.
Yeah, piss off over there.
Where
You
is
smell like shit. Die.
vehicle on the left? We're hacking this. And Joe's hacking it?
I am hacking it, yes.
You have the target. Get it back to the rendezvous in one piece.
Nope. Do you want to shoot, Joe? George?
Oh,
Can someone
Whoa.
get in? I need some really good shooting, George. Whoop. Also, because some good driving on my half. It'd be even better, but you know,
Which you haven't got.
which I don't seem to be producing at this moment in time. But we'll get there. Thank you, Joe. Glad you're impressed.
Right. I was impressed, mate.
Yes.
Okay. Where's the
Others?
car park?
Not into the
Again. That is a Valkyrie.
Can you shoot it?
No, it's wrong one. No.
Is that you getting out, Joe? Yeah. Good.
Let's run down, there's another one behind it, there's a buzzard.
Great.
And the last time I did this, no, they just got there and this everywhere else.
Oh, we're going the wrong way, aren't we?
Yes.
Someone could have said.
Oh, somebody's trying to kill the fucking helicopters.
Let's go back again. They're probably wondering, what the hell are they doing?
I promise you, we are trying to be professional. That's something we're not very good at.
How's Church going, George? Come on, let's not get us blown up.
Valkyrie.
Oh, I don't like that explosion. Oh, that one. Oi, come on. We've got a set little house left.
There's another Valkyrie.
This is going to get destroyed in a minute.
Down.
We've got... This is going to be destroyed.
Valkyrie on the left.
And that's been destroyed.
I thought I said like that.
The half truck was destroyed. You can drive,
Flying
George.
gun.
I'll drive gun. George can drive.
Cheers. Cheers. I won't get lost in a car park, I promise.
I didn't get lost in the car park.
No, no.
Zoom express. Continue.
Right, let's do it, let's go.
Those drivers do shooting? Or those doing fuck all?
Bagsy drive. That in the last mission.
I'll drive. I'll shoot you. Joe,
You have the target. Get it back to the
you get in, I'll get on the gun. No, no, or not.
Get in, Ryan.
George, you can't say get in and then... George, neither of us are in.
Oh yeah.
Whoa.
God. Fucking hell, we nearly lost the half track without any enemies.
No, we didn't. I knew what I was doing.
No, you didn't.
You can't fit through
Like
that.
this.
You can't fit through that gap, George. To go through that fence. Yes, like that. Well, we can go through that fence. I went through that fence.
We're doing this again, huh?
Yes.
You shot it.
Right, let's go.
Two buzzards. Valkyrie, I think it's coming from the right.
Cool, I've got it. I'm sure when they have Valkyrie. Has more armor than when we use it.
Just, yeah, no. There's a lot of buzzards.
You're telling me. That is how you do it. Come on then. That's it. Boom. Done.
Just a Hydra comes out of nowhere.
I'll cry. Look, I'm being chased by someone in a car. Who thinks they can take me on?
Take me, take on me. Wait.
I don't think you're meant to kill these people.
Ooh, this is cool. Oh, I can have it. Purple.
What are you doing, George? Where are you going? George, where are you going? Where are we going? We're going for a tour. On the dot. Yay!
Oh, we made it this time, right?
Yes, we did. Glad we all agree. On that one. No, we didn't. Glad you agree. Thanks for watching. I'm glad you enjoyed that. Hopefully you did. We did.
Please like, subscribe and peace out.
Yes, exactly, Joe.